Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're setting up Zigbee in Home Assistant using ZHA. I'll connect Zigbee coordinator, a Sonoff ZBDongle-P, and pair few devices including door window sensor, temperature and humidity sensor, multi-sensors that include presence, temperature, humidity, and illuminance, vibration sensor, water leak detection sensor, and wall socket with power monitoring. By the end of this video, you'll have the working Zigbee network fully integrated in Home Assistant. What is ZHA? ZHA stands for Zigbee Home Automation. It's built-in Zigbee integration inside Home Assistant. The big advantage of ZHA is that it's worked directly inside Home Assistant. No external MQTT broker required. It's simpler than Zigbee to MQTT and perfect for beginners who want a clean, stable setup. Here at Home Assistant website, we can get more details about it, and we can get recommended coordinators and the devices. I will also add all the links in the description. That's all the devices that's already supported in Home Assistant in ZHA. Let's plug our Zigbee dongle into our Home Assistant machine. Now we need to go to the settings and device and services. Home Assistant should automatically detect a new Zigbee integration. If it's not detected automatically, we can add it manually by add integration. Let's sort by ZHA. Let's find our Zigbee dongle, automatically selected. We'll click on submit. On this step, we'll choose setup automatically. This will create our new network, new ZBE network. We're almost finished, and this step we can rename our device, friendly name, and configure the area if we want to change it. For example, I'll put living room. And now your Zigbee network is ready. We're finished. Now let's start to pairing our some tested device. We can add device from few screens. So for the coordinator screen or for the device screen. So let's do it from here. Add device. Let's put our sensor and the switch into pairing mode by holding the reset or power button for a few seconds. Most of the device, they have some LED indicator that will start blinking rapidly. We can add them one by one or add all of them at the same time. Put every sensor at the same time into pairing mode. Of course, we can rename it, and we can choose the area where the sensor is connected or will be installed. This is our first sensor, door window sensor. This is a battery powered device, so it's end device. Zigbee have mesh system, so the routers can be the power device with the neutral line. Let's add our other sensor on the switch. Again, we'll rename some devices and choose the area. For example, all of them will be in the living room, for example. Of course, we can rename it later and change the area later. Example, we can do it from here. Sometimes the battery status will take time to show in the system. This is our multi-sensor. This is our smart socket. Some of the device we can change the configuration. For example, for the smart socket, we can change the child lock. We can change the last on state and the LED indicator. For example, smart socket is the router device type. So other device also can be connected to them to increase our network. Now let's quickly review our dashboard. We can see everything updating in real time. Our Zigbee network is fully integrated and working. In this video, we successfully set up ZHA, connected Sonoff ZBDongle-P coordinator, and paired multiple real devices. In the next video, we'll start building automation using the Zigbee sensor. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.